Hello traders. My name is Divesh Thakur and I welcome you all to my channel. So guys, this is the USDCAD chart and the trend is uptrend, and right now what I am seeing here, only the two candles. So I am ready to place here a call option, and yes, I have got the good entry point here. And I am sure here that this candle will close above my entry point. Why? Because this is a uptrend and I know that this is going to be the fighting candle, because this is the rule of the market that two candles are always going to be the retracement candles. Alright. And I am seeing this as a retracement only. And one more thing, that there is a engulfing pattern on the left side. And yes, the previous red candle has closed actually below the key level of the engulfing, right? But still I have gone here with the buyers, because the candle which broke the key level of the engulfing is actually formed by creating a gap between two red candles, right? So that's why this is my winning trade. Now let's move to the another trade. Right now this candle, which is a green candle, can be the retracement candle also. So I have to wait here and I need to look at the reaction of this candle. And why it is? Because I feel that the market can go down from here too. Because I feel that market has actually created here an evening star pattern. So that's why one candle and two candle of buyers can be the retracement of this evening star pattern. Alright. So let's wait and keep an eye on the reaction of this candle, and after this candle I am going to place a trade. So I think by the reaction of this candle that the sellers are interested here, and these two candles can be the retracement candles of this evening star, which you are seeing right there on the left side of this current forming candle. So I am here ready to go with the sellers. So that's why I have placed a trade here for the put option, because the psychology of the previous candle is also suggesting me that the market can go down here, right? So that's why I have placed here a put option, and I am very much sure that this is going to be the winning trade here. In the price action, this current forming candle is not a 100% candle for down option, but if you include the psychology of candles here, then this is going to be the short trade, right? So that's why I have placed here a put option trade, because I have included the psychology of candles too. And that is the reason why this is my winning trade. So this candle is a red candle, so the next one can be the red candle too. Alright, let's see the entry of the sellers first. Okay, so keep an eye on the reaction. Alright, so I have seen the entry. If I get the good entry point, I am going to place the down trade, and I have got the good entry point here again, right? So the previous candle is indicating, yes, that the sellers are weak, but this is a continuation candle too. Continuation candle for the sellers. Alright, the previous one. So most of the times this candle is going to be the red candle, as we have seen the entry of the sellers here. But this is not the 100% sure trade, because the previous candle is a weak candle of a seller, right? So this is the 50-50 trade, and that's why I have just won this trade by a single pip, I think, right? So this means that your entry points matters also. Alright. So always keep the good entry point while placing the trade. And now the current forming candle can go anywhere. Alright. This candle is that candle which is going to confirm the trend here. Alright. Why this candle? Because if this candle formed as a red candle, then the trend can be the downward side too, because of the creation of the M pattern here. Because if this candle formed as a red candle, that means that there can be the M pattern too. So I have changed my amount because I am doing the compounding. Alright. And this is a red candle, right? So this means the next candle can also be the red candle. Alright, and now I have seen the seller's entry again in the current forming candle. So that's why I have gone here with the put option again, because this is the start of M pattern. M pattern means the double top pattern. Alright, you can see that there is a double top in the market right now. But still this is not the 100% sure trade for down. And the reason why this is not the 100% sure trade is because there is a level of gap there on the left side. As you can see that this is the gap level, because these two candles formed by creating gap between them. So this is a level, and the starting of this candle is actually from the gap. But still this is a red candle, as I have given priority to the M pattern. Alright, that's why this is the winning trade. And this is how you should analyze the chart before placing a single trade also. Alright, so right now this chart is getting actually messier because the trend is actually the uptrend, but the current candles are suggesting us that the market will go down. So it is always better to change the chart in these type of situation. Alright, let me change the amount because I am moving to the final step of my compounding here. So we have been trading on USDCAD, so I have picked GBPAUD chart here, and the current trend here is the downtrend. Alright, and the market is going down here, right? And this market is actually making the lower lows here. Alright, so there is always very high percentage of winning the trade if we place the down trades only. So keep an eye on the reaction of this candle, because we are going to trade after this candle. Alright, but we will trade only if there is the opportunity to place the down trade here. Alright, as the market is making lower lows, so we always should focus on the down trades. Alright, so keep an eye here on this candle reaction. I am talking about the current forming green candle. Alright, this candle is becoming a green candle because the previous candle actually closed at the support level, right? So that's why I haven't placed here a trade for the up option. But right now this candle is actually rejecting from the same level from where the previous candle is rejected. But right now I don't know why my chart is stuck here. Okay, so I'm going to fast forward the video here. So that candle actually become the red candle, as you can see here. But right now again the candle is starting from the wick of the previous candle. So this candle can also become the green candle. But as you know, the trend is downtrend. So I am not going to place here a call option trade, but I can skip this trade, right? Because the trend is not allowing me to place the trade here for call option. Alright, so we have to wait here and we have to look at the closing of this candle. Only after that we can trade for the down trade. Alright, so the market is making actually the lower low here. So we are going to go with the trend if this candle close as a red candle only, right? We just need to focus on the closing of the current candle, because I think the next candle is also going to be the red candle. Okay, so this candle actually closed within the wick of the previous candle, so the candle can also be the green candle, but still I want to go here with the sellers. Okay, so my trade is actually at the very good point, and I think that this candle is going to be the red candle. And the reason why I have traded here for the down option, even after the previous candle closed at the wick of the red candle, is because if the buyers have to come, they should have come here, right? The previous candle should be the green candle, as I have mentioned it earlier, right? Because the previous big red candle actually closed at the wick of the green candle. So that is the point from where the buyers should come. Now there is no point that buyers can come here, and that's why I have placed here a put option, right? And this is the reason why my trade is successful here. I hope you have enjoyed this session and my all the steps of compounding are successful. We will meet tomorrow again. Till then, bye bye and take care.